Hello dear students. So in this series total we completed 100 questions. Total 100 questions. I think more than 200 question. I think more than 200 question I will provide. Okay, complete signals and system. More than 200 questions I will provide you guys. Okay. So total 100 questions till now we completed. This is question number 100. Okay. Now here this is question number 101. This is the question number 101 guys. This is the question number 101. Correct? The exponential Fourier series coefficient of a signal x of t. Question number 101. The exponential Fourier series coefficient of a signal x of t is given by Cn is equal to 1 minus cos pi n upon pi n square. The signal x of t is dash. The signal x of t is dash. Okay. Cn is given. Now remember this thing. X of t corresponding Fourier series coefficient. Okay. Now here even signal, odd signal, even, odd, even, odd and even. Okay, here this is real, imaginary, real, imaginary. Okay, so just remember, if x of t is real and even, then Cn will be even and real guys. Okay, if x of t is real and odd, then Cn will be odd and imaginary guys. Okay, remember this thing. Similarly, if x of t is imaginary and odd, pure imaginary and odd, then it will be odd and real guys. Cn will be odd and real. Okay, and vice versa also true guys. If x of t is imaginary and even, then Cn will be even and imaginary, and vice versa also true guys. Correct? Vice versa also true. Inverse, vice versa also true. This thing you have to remember guys. Okay, this thing you have to remember. Vice versa also true. Correct? Vice versa also true guys. Now here Cn is given. So first of all, see Cn is real. First of all check Cn is real guys. This Cn, the given Cn is real. Correct? Given Cn is real guys. Okay, given Cn is real. So there are two possibility. X of t, it will be either even guys, correct, even and real, or it will be odd and imaginary guys. Two possibility guys. There are two possibilities. Correct? If this is real, then there are two possibilities, even and real, or it can be imaginary and odd guys. Imaginary and odd. Okay, so x of t can be real and even. And now see here, now most important part, this is real guys, real. Now you have to check Cn whether it is odd or even. So C minus n is equal to cos 1 minus cos pi n, pi into minus n become minus n, divided by pi into minus n whole square guys. So C minus n is nothing but what? Cn. So it is what? Even guys. Even. Yes or no? Yes or no? Cn is even guys. You can check. See, Cn is even. Yes or no? Because C minus n equal to Cn you got. So Cn is real and even guys. Real and even. Correct? Real and even. So here Cn is real and even. So x of t will be even and real. X of t will be even and real. So which option should be correct answer here? Which option should be right answer? Which option should be right answer here? Real and even. Option A should be correct answer. Are you getting? You can see guys, Cn is real, pure real. There is no imaginary part, and it is a even function. So according to this table, if Cn is real and even, then corresponding x of t will be even and real. So the here correct answer is option A. So this is very much important that you have to remember guys, correct? Okay, very much important. Now next, same question guys, same question, same as previous one, same as previous one, same as previous one. Common data question we can say. The exponential Fourier series coefficient of a signal x of t is given by Cn is equal to 1 minus cos pi n by pi n square. The average value of signal x of t is dash. They are saying average value. What is the average value guys? They are saying average value, correct? Average value is nothing but what? C0, which is also known as A0, that is 1 by t integration over a fundamental time period x of t dt. Okay, now Cn is given and we have to find C0. So C0 is nothing but limit n tends to 0 Cn guys, remember this thing, correct? Limit n tends to 0 Cn. Okay, so here it is nothing but limit n tends to 0 Cn is 1 minus cos pi n divided by pi n whole square guys. Okay, now put n equal to 0. So cos 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, denominator also 0, 0 by 0 form. So we have to use L'Hospital rule. So limit n tends to 0, differentiation of numerator. So minus minus plus sine pi n, minus plus sine pi n, and differentiation of into pi guys, into pi also there, correct, pi also there, divided by here 2 times pi square into n, yes or no? Again put n tends to 0. So sine 0 0 guys, sine 0 0, correct? Sine 0 0, again here 0, again L'Hospital rule guys. So here limit n tends to 0, limit n tends to 0, again cos pi n into pi square divided by here 2 pi square, yes or no? Now n tends to 0, so cos 0 1, pi square by 2 pi square, so it is nothing but 1 by 2 guys, pi square upon 2 pi square. Answer is 1 by 2. Is this clear? Answer is 1 by 2 guys, correct? The right answer is 1 by 2. Option C. Right answer is 1 by 2. Right answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Right answer is, correct answer is 1 by 2. Okay. So here option C should be correct answer of this question. So this is question number 102 guys. Where is 103? Here. This is question number 103. Correct, 103 guys. This is the question number 103. This is also very much interesting question. Okay, this is also very much interesting question. The Fourier series coefficients of a signal x of t. This is question number 103. Total we completed 102 question, 102 questions. Okay, total we completed. I will provide you more than 200 questions of entire signals and system. Different questions, different topics. Question number 103. The Fourier series coefficients of signal x of t is shown in figure A. This is figure A guys. And it's a Fourier series coefficient is given. C0 equal to 1 by pi, C1 equal to minus j by 4, Cn is equal to 1 upon pi 1 minus n square. For k E1, k is equal to E1. There is no k guys. Okay, there is no k. So here it should be n guys. It should be n. N should be E1. Okay. No k, n should be E1. Okay. Next, then the Fourier series coefficient C0 dash, C1 dash and Cn dash for y of t. Shown in figure B. This is y of t. This is y of t guys. Correct, not x of t. This is y of t. Okay, this is y of t. Shown in figure B. R. Okay, this is also very much interesting and very much easy question guys. This is very much easy question guys. Okay, very much easy question. Tell me which option should be correct answer. So first of all you have to find the time domain relation between y of t and x of t. Y of t in terms of x of t. So there are different possibilities, guys. Can we say y of t is nothing but x of t right shifted by 1 unit, right shifted by 1 unit? Can we say like this? Y of t is nothing but x of t minus 1. This is first possibility. Right shifted by 1 unit. We can say, or one more thing we can say, guys, folding with respect to y axis. See, folding with respect to y axis, correct? Folding with respect to y axis also possible. Okay, folding with respect to y axis also possible, guys. That is y of t is equal to x of minus t, guys. This is also possible. Or we can say left shift by 1 unit. Left shift by 1 unit. These are the different possibilities. Left shift by 1 unit, yes or no? All three possibilities are there. Okay. Now tell me, which option should be correct answer here? Which option should be right answer here? Correct? So if I am taking second one, now see, 1 by pi minus j by 4, 1 upon pi 1 minus n square, minus 1 by pi minus j by 4, okay, 1 upon pi 1 minus n square. Okay, so there is a shifting operation, guys. See, shifting operation and time reversal. So there is a no change in DC. First of all, this is DC, guys. This is DC, yes or no? By time shifting operation, there is a no change in DC, guys, because there is a no change in fundamental time period. There is a no change in fundamental time period. That's why there is a no change in DC value. Correct? There is a no amplitude scaling also. Here one, here one. So there is a no change in DC, guys. There is no change in DC. Are you getting? There is no change in DC, guys. Okay. So here DC 1 by pi, 1 by pi. Here option B and option D are eliminated. Simple. Okay. Now here even value of n, guys. Even value of n. Okay. So here simply time shifting operation, guys. Time shifting operation. If you consider second one, guys. So C n dash is equal to what? Here x of minus t, guys. X of minus t is nothing but what? C of minus n, guys. C of minus n, yes or no? C of minus, wait, C minus C of n, guys. Minus C of minus n property. X of minus t, that means minus C of minus n. Correct? Property, guys. Time reversal property. Minus C of minus n. So C1 will be, C1 dash will be minus minus plus j by 4 and Cn will be minus 1, just wait for a minute, minus 1 upon minus Cn minus 1 upon pi 1 minus n square. Again even value of n. Again same thing, guys. Even value of n. Here again same thing. Even value of n, guys. Okay. Even value of n. This is the property, guys. This is the property. So answer should be, minus sign should be there. There is a no change in DC, guys. Simply time shifting property. There is a no change in DC. Okay. What about the fundamental time period? So let us take y of t equal to x of t minus 1 and t plus 1. So here fundamental time period t is equal to 2, guys. So fundamental frequency omega 0 2 pi by t, which is nothing but pi. Okay. So y of t is equal to x of t minus 1. So it's a Fourier series coefficient Cn dash, then e power minus j n omega 0. T naught is 1 into Cn. So Cn dash is equal to e to the power minus j, omega 0 is pi, n pi into Cn. So Cn dash will be minus 1 power n into Cn. Okay, minus 1 power into Cn. So C1 is equal to minus Cn, guys. So it is nothing but minus C1. See here, minus C1, guys. So C1 is given. C1 is given, guys. C1 is given. C1 is given minus j by 4. So here it will be what? J by 4, guys, plus j by 4. C1 is minus j by 4, minus minus plus j by 4. Okay. And Cn dash minus 1 power n into minus 1 power n into 1 upon pi into 1 minus n square. Now see here see n equal to even, guys. N is equal to even, same thing, there is no change in value of n. If n even, guys, if n even, see, if n even, then what about this one, guys? This term will be 1, yes or no? So Cn dash will be same. Cn dash will be same, guys. N is even, yes or no? Correct. Cn dash will be same because here n even value of n. If you put even value of n, minus 1 power even that is 1, guys. So Cn dash will be same. So which option should be correct answer here? 1 by pi, j by 4, and this one, option C, is the correct answer of this question. Any doubt? So here which one you have to use? Right shift, or you can use left shift also, guys. Not time reversal. Not time reversal. Okay. Not time reversal. Only right shift by 1 unit or left shift by 1 unit. You can take this one also, guys. X of t plus 1 also you can take. You will get the same answer. So here Cn dash is equal to e power plus or minus j n omega 0 t naught equal to 1 into Cn, which is n omega 0 equal to pi. So minus 1 power n into Cn. Simple. Correct? Are you getting? So which option should be correct answer here? Option C should be right answer of this question. So total 103 question we completed till now. 103 question. Let me download more questions. Okay, just wait for a minute. Okay, guys, just wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. Okay, next question. Question number 104. Same as previous one, guys. Same as previous one. Question number 104. Okay. Question number 104. Consider the following statements regarding the Fourier series coefficient of Cn of a signal x of t is shown in figure. X of t is given and certain statements regarding this it's a Fourier series coefficient are given. Certain statements are given. C minus n equal to Cn conjugate. Okay, Cn is purely real. The amplitude spectrum is even symmetric with respect to vertical axis. Which of the above statement is are true? Which of the above statement is are true? Which of the above statements are true? Okay, first of all you can check, guys. Here x of t is what? X of t is real, guys. What about symmetry? Odd symmetry, even symmetry, and nano, guys. Odd symmetry, even symmetry, and nano. So there is no symmetry, guys. There is no symmetry. Okay, nano symmetry, neither even nor odd, guys. Neither even nor odd, guys. Okay, so here Cn is purely real. Okay, neither even nor odd. C minus n equal to Cn conjugate. This is the property, guys. This is the simple property. Guys. This is the property. So this is true, guys, because this is real. See, as this is real, so we can say Cn is equal to Cn conjugate is equal to C minus n guys, or C minus n equal to Cn conjugate. As x of t is real, that's why first one is true guys, first one is true. Okay, now Cn is purely real, Cn is purely real. Okay, so Cn is purely real guys. Second statement, Cn is purely real. Okay, so you can see here Cn is purely real. X of t is real guys, x of t is real. Now if it is even, x of t is real and even, then here even and real. X of t is real and odd, then it is odd and imaginary guys, then it is odd and imaginary. But here they are saying that Cn is purely real. So yes guys, Cn will be purely real because x of t real, x of t is real. So directly x of t real and this is nano function. So that's why Cn is purely real guys, Cn will be purely real. So second statement also true guys, second statement also true. X of t is real and it is a nano function, not even, not odd. So Cn will be real. And you can see here guys, you can see in this question also, question number 103, you can say here, see this type of function guys, this type of function. Okay, just wait for a minute. This type of function, so purely real or not. Okay, just wait for a minute. Nano function is there, nano guys, so we cannot say directly purely real. Okay, we cannot say directly purely, we have to check guys. Okay, we have to check, just wait for a minute, we have to check. Now next is the amplitude spectrum is even symmetric with respect to vertical axis. Amplitude spectrum is even symmetric, amplitude spectrum is even symmetric with respect to vertical axis. Okay, amplitude spectrum matlab means magnitude spectrum guys. They are saying that amplitude spectrum, that means magnitude spectrum is even symmetric with respect to vertical axis, with respect to vertical axis. So I think third statement is also true. So 1 and 3 possibility, 1 and 3 guys. Amplitude spectrum is even symmetric with respect to vertical axis, amplitude spectrum. Okay, so I think we have to find the Fourier series coefficient of. Please take control system. Okay, here amplitude spectrum is even symmetric with respect to vertical axis. So you can take previous example only guys, you can find the Cn, and in 103, question number 103, we found Cn, Cn is available here. So C1 is minus j by 4, Cn is 1 upon pi 1 minus n square for even value of n, for even value of n. So you can say this is even symmetric. Yes guys, C1 is even symmetric with respect to vertical axis. Vertical means with respect to y-axis. Okay, with respect to y-axis, that is Cn is equal to C minus n. So yes, Cn is equal to C minus n you will get guys. You can see here Cn is equal to C minus n, you will get Cn is equal to C minus n, because this graph and this graph both are same. So I think second statement is wrong, Cn is not purely real, or we have to find guys, we have to find. Okay, later we will see guys, later we will see, we have to find Cn. So question number 104, later we will see guys, I have to check all the thing, I have to check all the thing. Okay, so 104 later we will see. Now same as previous one, so this also same thing guys, same thing. Okay, same thing. Now question number 106. Okay, question number 106 guys, this is given. Okay, a continuous time signal x of t with period 4 has the exponential Fourier series. Okay, with fundamental time period 4, fundamental time period is given 4, that is fundamental time period is 4. Their Cn is given and they are asking x of t guys. Okay, they are asking x of t. This is also very much interesting question guys. This is also very much interesting question. Question number 104 and 105 later we will see, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Similarly, 34, 35 also we will see. 4 questions are left. Okay. So Cn we have to find. Cn is given. See, Cn is equal to what? Here I am providing you shortcut, guys. Shortcut. See, first of all, Cn formula. What is the Cn formula? How to calculate? Cn is given x of t. How to find the x of t? So x of t is equal to summation n is from minus infinite to plus infinite Cn into e to the power j n omega 0 t. Okay. X of t, exponential Fourier series representation. Okay, n equal to minus infinite to plus infinite e power j n omega 0 t. Okay. Now see, or directly also you can do. Directly you can do. See, x of t here mod n less than 3, that means n lies between minus 3 and 3, guys. That is n starting from see, less than, not less than, equal to. That's why starting from minus 2 to plus 2 integer value. See here, not less than or equal to, guys, only less than 3. Correct, only less than 3. That's why n equal to minus 2 to plus 2. Cn value is jn into e to the power j n omega 0 t. Correct, n omega 0 t. So x of t will be, now put the value of n equal to minus 2. So if you put n equal to, first n equal to 2, guys. So j2 e to the power j n equal to 2 omega 0 t. Then n equal to minus 2. So minus j2, see, minus j2, guys, n equal to minus 2 e to the power minus j 2 omega 0 t. Correct. N equal to minus 1 then, plus n equal to minus 1. So j1 into e to the power j omega 0 t minus j into 1 e to the power minus j omega 0 t. Okay. And n equal to 0. If you put n equal to 0, then 0. If you put n equal to 0, then 0, guys. Correct. Now this will give you sine function, guys, divided by 2j, multiply by 2j, divided by 2j and multiply by 2j, guys. Correct. Divided by 2j, multiply by 2j, and here also divided by 2j, multiply by 2j. Okay. So sine function. So x of t will be, so if you multiply with 2j, guys, if you multiply with 2j, so 2 into 2, 4, j into j, so minus 4, and this is nothing but sine omega 0 t, sine 2 omega 0 t. Yes or no? Sine 2 omega 0 t. Correct. Sine 2 omega 0 t minus 4 sine 2 omega 0 t plus this is nothing but minus 2j. So if you multiply minus 2j, that is minus 2 into sine omega 0 t. Now what about omega 0? So omega 0 is nothing but 2 pi by t, guys. 2 pi by t, and fundamental time period is given. Fundamental time period is 4. So 2 pi by 4, which is nothing but pi by 2, guys, which is nothing but pi by 2. So here you can put pi by 2. So minus 4 sine pi by 2. So pi t minus 2 sine pi by 2t. So which option should be right answer? Which option should be right answer? Minus 2 sine pi by 2t minus 4 sine pi t. Option B here. Option B should be correct answer of this question. Correct? Option B should be right answer of this question. Option B, guys. Here the right answer is option B. Here the correct answer is option B. Option B is the right answer of this question. So this is question number 106. Question number 106. Okay. Next question. Question number 107. Okay, this is also very much interesting question, guys. This is also very much interesting question. A continuous time ideal low pass filter has the frequency response h of j omega shown in the figure below. When an input x of t with fundamental time period t equal to pi by 4 and Fourier series coefficient Cn is applied to the system, the output y of t is same as x of t. Okay, for what value of n it is guaranteed that Cn is equal to 0. Okay, Cn is equal to 0, guys. For what value of n it is guaranteed that Cn is equal to 0. Cn is equal to 0. When an input x of t with fundamental time period t equal to pi by 4 and Fourier series coefficient Cn is applied to the system, the output y of t is same as x of t. For what value of n it is guaranteed that Cn is equal to 0, guys. Cn is equal to 0. Now see, here this is the low pass filter. Okay, here see low pass filter, guys. Okay, this is low pass filter, and this is the input x of t, and x of t have frequency n omega 0, guys. Correct, frequency n omega 0. Okay, frequency, different frequency, omega 0, 2 omega 0, 3 omega 0, 4 omega 0, and so on. And here y of t output, guys, output. Now filter cutoff frequency, guys, cutoff frequency is 100. Correct, filter cutoff frequency is 100, guys. Okay, maximum. So if this input frequency, guys, if input frequency, you can say, see, if input frequency is greater than, let us consider this is input frequency. So this input frequency greater than 100, guys, greater than 100, then output side, this output will be 0. Can we say like this? This input frequency, guys, n omega 0. If n omega 0 greater than this cutoff frequency, then output will be 0. And if this input frequency less than 100, guys, less than this cutoff frequency here, then output will not be 0, guys. Output is not equal to 0. Yes or no? They are saying Cn, guaranteed that Cn is 0, Fourier series coefficient 0. Now Cn 0 means output also 0, guys. Cn 0 means output also 0. So what we can say here, n omega 0 input frequency greater than 100. Yes or no? If input frequency greater than 100, correct, if input frequency greater than 100, guys, then we can say Cn will be 0. Okay, so n into 2 pi by t, guys, 2 pi by t greater than 100. Okay, so n into 2 pi, t is nothing but pi by 4. It is given the question, t is nothing but pi by 4, guys, pi by 4 greater than 100. So n greater than 100 divided by 8, guys. Okay, mod n, why mod n? Because left side also. Why mod n, guys? Because left side also, guys. Okay, so n greater than 100 by n greater than 50 by 8, guys, only integer value. So 50 by 8, so which option should be right answer, guys? 50 by 4, sorry, 50 by 4. Okay, 50 by 4, that is 12.5, guys. You have to take integer value, 12.5. So which option should be correct answer here? 12.5. Okay, maximum 12.5, maximum 12.5. Okay, so here correct match is, which one is the correct answer here? Which one is the right answer? Option D. Option D, guys. Correct, option D here. Okay, only integer value you have to consider. You have to consider only integer values. Okay, so that's why the right answer is D, guys. Right answer is D. Correct, mod n greater than 12, only integer values. Correct, only integer values you have to consider, that is mod n greater than 12, guys. Okay, so this is also very much interesting question, guys. Okay, question number 104 and 105 later we will see. 34, 35 also we will see. So total 4 questions we will see, guys. Okay, so in this way, in this manner, guys, in this manner I will provide you total 200 to 300 questions, guys. Total I will provide you 200 to 300 questions. Okay, so question number 107 now. Okay, just wait for a minute. Okay, let us solve this question. Question number 5, guys. More questions I am taking, not Fourier series. More questions of Fourier series we will do later. But let us solve some more question. The energy of the signal x of t, a, b, c, d are given. Ascending and ascending order. You have to tell me in ascending order. So energy, guys. Okay, this is also very much important question. Now you can see here, guys. If energy of x of t is E, guys, then first, what is the energy of x of t? E, correct? What about B, guys? So x of 0.5 t. I told you, guys, what will be the energy? E upon mod 0.5. So here it will be 2E, correct? It will be 2E, guys. Energy will be 2E. Then next, time shifting operation doesn't alter energy of the given signal. So x of 4t minus 3, what will be the energy, guys? Energy will be E by 4, guys. E by 4, that is 0.25, correct? E by 4. Then next, D. D is x of minus 0.25. See, again, time reversed operation doesn't alter energy of the given signal. So what about the energy? Energy E upon 0.25 mod, correct? Mod. So it is nothing but 4E, guys. 4E. So here first D greater than, B greater than, A greater than C, guys. Okay, D greater than, B greater than, A greater than C. Which option should be correct answer here? Option C, guys. Option C is the right answer of this question. Option C is the correct answer of this question. Fine. Okay, these already questions we completed. Okay, this is also very good question, guys. This is also very good question. So tell me which option should be correct answer here. So here which option should be correct answer? Now see here. This is t minus 4, here t minus 4. Okay, this is h of t. Now see this t minus 4 become t, guys. Here also t minus 4 become t, correct? Now you know that property del t minus t naught convolution h of t is nothing but h of t minus t naught, correct? Okay, amplitude here, see amplitude is 1 and here amplitude 2 guys. Okay, suppose amplitude k here, so here amplitude k, yes or no? Similarly k del t plus t naught convolution h of t, it will be k into h of t plus t naught. Now here t minus 4 become t guys, t minus 4 become t. So what about h of t should be h of t? See, signal remains same, exponential and u of t, exponential u of t. So simply an amplitude 2 guys. So option A is not possible, option D not possible because here amplitude 2. So option B and C possible. Okay. So e power minus t minus 4, t minus 4 into u of t minus 4 convolution second 2 times del t plus 4 guys, then it become, here this is t minus 4, here t plus 4, so 2 into e to the power minus t minus 4 plus 4, see minus t minus 4 plus 4 into u of t minus 4 plus 4 guys, correct? So which is equal to 2 e to the power minus t into u of t guys, into u of t, correct, u of t. So which option should be correct answer here? Here option B should be right answer of this question, option B guys, correct? Okay, this is also very much important question guys. Let y of t equal to x of t convolution g of t, where asterisk mark denotes convolution operation, then with regard to following relations p q r s, how many statements are correct? How many statements are correct guys? Okay, so see here property guys. So just I told you, see first property, if this is delayed by 2 seconds, then output also delayed by 2 seconds guys. Suppose y of t, x of t convolution h of t is y of t, then if suppose input is delayed by 2 seconds, then output also delayed by 2 seconds because it's a time invariant. So first property is true guys, first property is true. Okay, next property is wrong guys. See, g of t minus 1, this is delayed by 1 second, this is delayed by 1 second, then this should be delayed by total 2 seconds because 1 second for this, 1 second for this, so that's why it should be delayed by 2 seconds. So second statement is q is wrong. Now this y of minus t equal to g of minus t convolution x of t. Okay, so this is also wrong guys, this is also wrong because property is x of t, if x of t convolution h of t is equal to y of t, then x of at convolution h of at, which is equal to 1 upon mod a y of at guys. This should be property guys. Okay, so scaling factor remains same in both the case. A scaling factor a should be same. So here scaling factor is minus and here scaling factor is plus 1. So r is not possible. Here r is not possible. See here minus 1, that's why minus 1 guys, correct? So here yes, this is possible because scaling factor is minus 1. So 1 upon mod minus 1, it become plus 1, correct? You can take a equal to minus 1, a equal to minus 1. So last one is possible guys, correct? So P and S are correct, only P and S are correct guys, yes or no? Only P and S are correct. Okay, only P and S are correct. Okay, only P and S are correct. Only P and S are correct. Fine. So this is total 107 and 3 question we completed, total 110, total 110. Okay, 110 question completed and 4 questions are left. Okay, so here, okay, so let us finish this lecture here, and next part we will continue into subsequent module. Thank you guys, thank you so much.